Hey there, plant enthusiasts and curious viewers. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and practical: the ultimate low-maintenance houseplants. You know, those hardy little green warriors that can survive even the most forgetful or neglectful plant parents. But here's the twist: we're not just talking about any old houseplants. These are the ones that stay small, cute, and compact, perfect for those cozy windowsills or tiny balconies. So, let's explore 5 tiny titans of the plant world that will make your green thumb look like a pro, even if you've struggled with keeping plants alive in the past. Now, before we begin, let's address the elephant in the room. When I say never die, I'm obviously being a bit dramatic. All living things have their limits, but these plants come pretty darn close to being indestructible. They've evolved to handle missed waterings, inconsistent light, and the kind of casual neglect that would send most houseplants to an early grave. It's like they have superpowers, but instead of capes, they have resilient leaves and an unyielding will to survive. First up, we have the spider plant, a true hero of the houseplant world. This plant is like the friendly neighbor who always has a spare key to your apartment. It's adaptable, forgiving, and always there when you need it. Its striped green and white leaves are like a stylish accessory that goes with any home decor. But what's truly amazing is its ability to bounce back from neglect. Miss a few waterings? No problem. It's like it's saying, "No worries, I got this." And the best part? It's incredibly easy to propagate. Those little plantlets at the end of long stems? Snip them off, stick them in some soil, and voila! You've got a whole army of spider plants ready to conquer the windowsills of the world. Next, let's talk about the cast iron plant, a name that's not just clever marketing. This plant is like the rugged adventurer who's seen it all and lived to tell the tale. It thrives in deep shade, irregular watering, and temperature extremes, making it the perfect plant for those tricky spots in your home. Its broad, glossy leaves are a testament to its resilience, growing steadily even in the face of adversity. And while it may take its sweet time to fill out, its staying power is legendary. It's like the tortoise in the race against the hare: slow and steady wins the garden. Now, if you've ever struggled with succulents, meet Haworthia, the easygoing cousin of the succulent family. This plant is like the chill friend who's always down for a good time, but doesn't need constant attention. Its thick, pointed leaves store water efficiently, so it's cool with you forgetting to water it for a few weeks. And unlike some high-maintenance succulents, Haworthia doesn't need direct sun to thrive. It's happy in bright, indirect light, making it the perfect desk buddy. Plus, its compact rosette shape ensures it won't take over your workspace like some botanical bully. Peperomia is another family of plants that deserve a shout-out in the low-maintenance Hall of Fame. These guys are the introverts of the plant world, happy to be left alone and minding their own business. Varieties like the rubber-leaf Peperomia have semi-succulent leaves that store moisture, so they're not going to throw a tantrum if you forget to water them. And their shallow root system means they're content in a small pot, making them ideal for crowded shelves. It's like they are saying, "We're here to add some greenery, not take up all your space." Last but not least, we have the Ponytail Palm, a plant with a bit of an identity crisis. Despite its name, it's not a true palm, but its unique swollen base is its secret weapon. This plant is like the desert nomad, storing water in its bulbous stem to survive the toughest conditions. Its long, curling leaves give it a distinctive look, like a botanical fashion statement. And the best part? It stays small and manageable, even in a tiny pot, making it the perfect choice for those with limited space. It's a slow grower, but hey, good things come to those who wait, right? So, there you have it. 5 small plants that are practically immortal in the houseplant world. These green warriors are the perfect companions for anyone who wants to bring some life into their space without the pressure of constant care. Remember, Even the toughest plants appreciate some love and attention, but these guys will forgive you if you forget once in a while. Happy planting, everyone!